is your boy Shisauce, and we're back again with another video. As you can see, guys, I'm excited as F. See, the boy's excited. As you see from the title of the video, I managed to make 3.5k, more than 3.5k in the past 2 weeks, bro. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how, bro. So please listen to these things, guys. Please listen to me, guys, so that you can also transform your trading journey. And then if you're new to the channel, my name is Wetu Forex Codes, and what I do is that I journal my life here on YouTube, man, to be the greatest Forex trader in Africa, especially trading Falcon. You know the vibes. Yeah, so if you're not subscribe to the channel. There's a lot of value you're gonna get here, even besides from this video, from all my previous videos. There's a lot of value there, guys. So do check those videos out as well. And I do also give out 2 10k accounts every week, so make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram. The things are usually in the description of the video, man. And yeah, let's get
what's
to the
going
money.
on, guys. So as you can see, I took a trade, I think was it 1 hour ago, not mistaken, or 2 hours. So I took it right there. So this is German 30, guys. It's an expanding, right? And as you can see on all of my pro firms, I took the trade, and then when we check the 100k, the trade is also there in the 100k accounts. As you can see, guys, floating 1,600 US dollars profit, as you can see. But then I'll be updating you guys on the position and yeah, what's happening and everything. Yes, sir. Let's get to the cash.
Top of the morning, fam. Top of the morning, guys. It is another day, second day, right, of trading the 100k account. So just open my PC right now, and let's check out the German 30 position and see how it's like, you know, the vibes. So I'm gonna go there and check it out. But I did wake up early. No, I didn't wake up early. I woke up though, and then the position is doing good. I don't wanna lie, guys. Check this. Check this out, man. Fuck is the time bar, bro? So here, or around 2%. I wanna take profit at 3% on this account. So I'm just gonna do this 310, and then we're done. So yeah, 310, and then let me check the other ones. The other ones are doing so awesome, dog. Like they're doing so awesome. So as you can see, this one is floating 700, right? 700, and then the 100k is floating 3,000, dog. 3,000, dog. So what I'm gonna do right now is going to be locking profits, right? I'm gonna be locking profits at 1%, so it's 1,020. 1,020. Yeah, 99 now. 1,030. Yeah, we said that shit. We've locked in 1% at 1,000, because the swap hours as well. Fuck, that's a lot. But anyways, let's come back this side. We're locking profits at let's lock profits at 250, right? Because this one is 255. Let's just do 260. Yeah, locking profits at 260 because this one is these are 25k. So with that said, guys, everything is going well. I just woke up right now. It's 10. I did today. I'm not trading because I do have a position, right? But then my take profits are gonna be there, right? It's just gonna be there. 544. I think, yeah, that's a good take profits. I'm just gonna continue holding the position, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Yeah, let's get it. Let's get to the money, guys. Let's get to the money. Yeah, guys, so now we're starting with the trade, right? So I'm gonna be showing you everything. So yeah, let's get into the screen recording, man. You know what I'm saying? So guys, this is German 30, right? So as you can see, German 30 is always on an uptrend like that. You see, so there is no area where I can say, okay, these are my highs, these are my lows, whatever. But then there is breaks of structure though to the upside, which is that is at least what you can use, right? So that was that, and then with that we have our we had our 1 hour continuation, 1 hour structure, right? So my 1 hour structure was like that over there. So as you can see,
right there. So I had an expanding of some sorts, right? So how was I able to identify the trade? It's simple, guys. We always use the 1 2 3. So it was 1 2 and 3, but then that is not only my confluence that I use to take a trade. I also look at, okay, do we have structure, do we have depth inside of this? Yes, depth we have. Depth is clearly available, everything is there. The spacing as well, the spacing between the touches, is it like good? And it is fine, I cannot complain. Okay, and then there was the entry candlestick. So as you can see, this retrace was very long, man. This retrace was very long, so I don't usually enter like that. Maybe they say enter like so and then have my stop loss like that. I don't usually do that when I have a big retrace, right? What I usually do is that I measure the candlestick, the body of the candlestick, and make sure I enter 50%, right? I enter the 50% mark of the candlestick, and then the market goes up. Why do I do this? I do this because so that I can have a better risk to reward, you know what I'm saying? Because if it was a different scenario whereby I entered here, the market was going to go up and I wouldn't be available to log 3%, 1%, sorry, because I usually log my trades at 1% when they reach 3% profit. So given here, the body did close at 3%, so I was able to close 1% over here. So that is why now I was able to make $3.5 US on the 100k accounts, because the first trade was the 2.5 trade, and then it was the 3% trade, there was the 1% trade, which total makes the total of 3.5. So let me just show you right now. Yeah, I'm just gonna log in, and the platform that I use, guys, is FundYourFX. This is one of the best, has been here since 2021, and it offers instant funded accounts and also phase 1 and phase 2 challenges. As you can see, this is going to be my 100k right there, right? This is my instant funded 100k. So yeah, this is my dashboard, man. So as you can see right there, I'm up 3.4%, right? 3.4. So yeah, I know it's close to 3.5, but then I'm just gonna round it up, right? But then that's the amount that I have currently on this account. So that is the German 30 trade that I took, right? The German 30 trade. So let me show you the example again. Let's say now we did this, right? So we did this, and then with that, and then is the trade at 3%? No, it's not. So I cannot be locking profit. And you can see that if I did that, look at what would happen. It was going to be a break even in the first place, and I wasn't gonna lock anything. But then I do allow myself to be at least a little bit patient when it comes to these things, and so that I can have a better risk to reward, because it doesn't mean, okay, I rush the trade, I don't even get anything out of it. But then if I'm getting patient with the trade, at least I'm gonna get that 1% locked in, which is something. That is why my month is so fabulous, because I'm following my plan to the tip, to the core. We've been doing this thing for the longest of time, guys. I've been trading for 3 years, more than 3 years right now, and I know my plan, and I know what works, and I know what hinders my success. So what hinders my success in most scenarios, you find that we see the candlestick on the end is gonna be long, and people they didn't log, they didn't rush and not do the 50% thing. Next thing, either the trade doesn't even go to 1% and goes down and you hit your stop loss. Guys, if maybe let's say you did this, it would have been maybe go to 1% and then you lock yourself break even. If it does return, it take yourself at break even. Guys, when you taking this big candlestick right there, you won't have the opportunity to close yourself break even. So it's like you being on the safe side, being patient, and at the same time, look at this thing like this. You have the opportunity to get into break even, and you also have the opportunity to even lock more profits. You see the variations. But then if you still do want to take trades like this, because sometimes, guys, you should know this, it's not gonna come back, right? It's not gonna come back, it's just gonna continue up. So what I usually advise is that people should also have multiple profit accounts, whereby they do the full candle on the other one and then do the 50% on the other one, just for the peace of mind, so that maybe you cannot miss that particular trade even if it was there. So but then bear in mind that if maybe the trade goes to 1% on the 50% strategy and then goes back and then the other accounts you get the full candle, you're gonna be toasted, because now you won't get break even, you know, you're just gonna lose on the other one. So you just like need to open your mind in a sense. So in other cases, maybe it can even go up, and then on the 50% thing it goes to maybe let's say 2% and it goes down, or maybe even less than, or 2%, yeah, you lock break even and then it goes down, and then the other accounts find a good see you haven't even locked anything, right? And you haven't even locked break even, it comes back to the break even, right? And then it again continues going up, and then the other one, the one you're getting with the full candle, you are safe, right? You are much more safer there. The trade won't be closed and then you go to your take profit. So that is the situations that I've been doing in the forex market. So that is why experience is very important. Just engage yourself with the forex market. Do record these positions, do recall as well. It's okay. The scenarios that happen, especially when trade managing, because that is also an aspect that people do not take into account, right? They manage their trades poorly, right? They manage their trades poorly, and yeah, there's no systematic way to approach it, and there's no discretionary way to approach it, because we need both of these things. Because even mistake, I can say to me, it is part of discretion again, because I'm making a decision. It's okay. Should I do this or not? Okay, what's the pros and what's the cons of doing this? So you need to you need to learn about trade management. And if you're interested in learning that, I do also have a mentorship, guys. The link is going to be below, whereby I provide you guys with everything psychologically based, the rewired, I have it, technical analysis, the 4-hour refinements, also the mechanics, everything, plus one-on-one mentorship with me for 6 months. So you're gonna be talking to me, me assisting you, developing you a trading system that works, man, and that's top tier, that will eventually get you to consistency. You know the vibes. So now, guys, I just want to talk about the reality of making 3.5k in the space of 2 weeks. How is that even possible? So guys, it is possible, and I've been preaching about this, but people don't get it in their minds. But then I'm gonna make examples of this thing and just elaborate on it. Guys, so first of all, you just need to be routine based, you know what I'm saying? So you need to be routine based in the sense that you have a daily routine that you follow, especially when you're trading the forex market. It's very key to have yourself a routine, right? Because let me make an example of this past 2 trades that I've taken. So the first trade there was it the GBP JPY trade. That trade, guys, I took that position. It was in the evening, it was at around 7 p.m. when I executed that trade. And what's nice about it is that I was available in the forex market to get a chance to get into the forex market, right? Because what happens is that maybe let's say in the evening, you guys don't usually look at the charts, right? In our sequential basis, and I've been telling you guys to do this thing. Do check the forex market on a sequential basis, like in the morning when you wake up, check the market, right? And then 12 noon, check the market. 4 in the evening, check the market. Even at 7, check the market. Because what usually happens is that when those hours, man, maybe let's say 4 candlesticks may happen in the 1 hour time frame, do check the market, right? Especially me, when trading the Falcon system, I also do check the 1 hour and the 15-minute time frame. So I need to be checking the forex market on an interval basis, and that is supposed to be my job. I wouldn't say it's a drag now to be checking the forex market at 7, at 1, at 12. You have to do it because this is part of your job. Especially me, this is where I make most of my money, right? And there's nothing else I can do. And I wouldn't say, this thing is stressing me, dog. What's stressing you, dog? In just downloading money, sitting down, right? Looking at the graph. What work are you doing, dog? Like, let's be for real, guys. People don't respect the craft enough so that they can do these things. And waking up in time, people don't do that. You don't want to wake up in time, you don't want to sleep in time. You need to be routine based, because there's gonna be a position that can happen, maybe let's say in the morning, right? Maybe 6 a.m. right? Because my waking up time is 5 a.m. right? there's a position at 6, and then maybe let's say in that particular day I choose not to follow my discipline, right? I choose not to be disciplined. I wake up at 9. Next thing, I've missed a position. What happens? Performance goes down. My week won't be a 3.5k week because I've missed a position in the morning. You know what I'm saying? You need to be routine based, and it's not hard. Even if you do have a job or you have school on the side, you check the chart in the morning, and if you know it's okay, I have a job, I have to wake up, go somewhere, wake up at 5, dog. Wake up at 5, do the things, right? Have yourself at least that 30 minutes in the morning to check the Forex market, okay? Check the Forex market, and then you can then prepare for your day. And then when you get to work or you get to school, we have phones, guys. TradingView is mobile. You can check TradingView along the way. Okay, let's see what's the time. It's 11 a.m. Let me check the market. If you won't have your laptop with you during the day, right? If you do, you open your laptop, you log into Wi-Fi at work or at school, you check the chart, man. You check the chart. It's not even a problem. There's less chances you can miss a trade, and people should also get it in mind that having a community is also going to assist you, especially when maybe you are trading the same system. For trader alerts, like, okay guys, in the morning we looked at Euro USD and it's shaping up very fine. In the next 1 hour we could expect a retrace candlestick to enter, and then maybe you're busy. Oh, the guys are saying this on Discord. Okay, let me get ready to take the trade. So because that is what we do in my mentorship, I am always in the house most of the time. I'm always logged in, I'm always glued, trying to make my students better and better every day. When I have a trade, everyone wins. I tell them even before the trade happens also, okay guys, there's a position in Euro JPY, right? I'm looking at this and this and this. I've risk mitigated this and this and this. So what we should be waiting for is this. In the next 2 hours, the trade might come. There might be an end in the next 2 hours. So what do we do when that happens? Everyone gets ready to take the trade, right? There's lesser chances for you to be missing trades because you're working with a team. You're not working alone. And by team, I mean a strong team, guys. Not a group of people you can just have whereby you just share analysis. I mean a team, dog. A team whereby most of the people inside there are disciplined, they're experienced, they're dedicated to the work. And that is where you will see progress in your life. So yeah, man, to sum it up, it just needs to be routine based. Number 1, have a team. And just be logged in, man. Just be logged in and make sure you're trading a trading plan that works, right? A trading plan that you have tested, because you won't be consistently profitable if you are still testing things in your trading plan. It may happen, it happens sometimes. You are testing there, you still haven't yet reached that groove of yours. You're still testing setups. Don't expect yourself to be crushing it, but then you can have winning trades here and there, you know, because you're still testing. But then you then have to focus on a few and on a consistent basis. It's okay, this is the only ones that I have to, and then you just continue with that same system. Stop forward testing and back testing every day. It needs to stop. There's a time whereby, guys, you just need to apply what you know, and then once you apply what you know and it works, and you see you've gotten a payout, you can then try to add new things and little by little. But now what I can advise you guys is, please just focus on what you know now, and it will get you very far. So with that said, guys, and please subscribe to the channel and also like this video. Make sure you also comment. The boy is way to Forex Codes, and I'm giving away 2 10K accounts every week. And what I'm gonna do from now on is that I'm going to be using a comment picker generator, whereby the generator just picks in random, because I don't want to be biased when I'm doing these giveaways. You know the vibes. So if you want to be part of the giveaway, just like the video, make sure you subscribe, you leave a comment, because I'm using the comments to choose, and then also follow me on Instagram, because that is where I usually give the accounts on Instagram. So with that said, guys, it's been nice making this video, and I hope you took a lot of value from this video. So yeah, man, see you in my next video. Bye.